Welcome back to my channel. It's only one Adrienne coming at you with a goddess lock tutorial. So I started with TP 430 in the Go-Go Curl Freetress and goddess locks in 4 and 2. So first you're going to start, obviously, I did crochet in the middle and individual around the perimeter in the front and in the back. So here I'm just braiding it. I know now that I probably should have twisted it, done mini twists, but we live and we learn. So just make sure that you braid down the middle in the pattern of your choice and then go around the perimeter so that it may look more natural with the individual. So I apply Eco Styling Gel to the hair to make sure that it blends better and easier with the hair that I'm going to crochet in. So I've already done the crochet, so I'm just going to demonstrate here how I get the individual to blend with the crochet hair. So of course, as you've probably seen crochet, you're gonna take the latch hook and go beneath the braid, and then I take the hook and I go through the actual hair. I found this method from the Chic Natural. I'll link her channel below. And this has been the easiest way for me and quicker than individual crochet braids. But you just go up through the middle of the twist and start crocheting your hair in little by little. Go all the way up to the top of the braid is what I noticed, because if you go in the middle or if you go down too far when you're trying to put it in, it'll look kind of funky. So start at the very, very top of the hair, go all the way up, and keep doing so every few inches once you kind of twist it into it. It should automatically blend. Obviously, it was more of a challenge since I had the blonde up there, but it wasn't too bad. And then you continue to crochet your braid into the lock. And just to make sure that it was secure and blended better, I will put a little Eco around it, or twisting gel, to secure it. After you've done the front perimeter and the back, then you go into the middle. I say that part for last because I always kind of like to see where it's going to fall in the front and in the back. And so then you proceed with the middle, crocheting as you normally would all of the locks in. And I just kind of switched up the colors between number 4 locks, I believe, 27, and 27 is a blonde, and then I think 30, is the lighter brown color. And so I just kind of mixed all of those in as I crocheted. So make sure that you continue to fill in any gaps. You don't want any braid exposed. Fill it in with the crochet here. You'll have to excuse my little cameos in the background. My daughter and son always seem to mess with me when I'm recording and doing my hair. So this is where I start to add in the Freetress Go-Go Curl into the goddess locks. So I wanted to pretty much frame my face with the blonde and put a little bit in the middle, but not much. So you're going to crochet the loose hair into the locks, and you just do it the same way you would any crochet. I just put them around the front mainly because I wanted to highlight and frame my face with the blonde. So I just went in accordingly and did that and just crocheted right onto the hair with the lock. I felt like I needed a little bit more on that left side. And so I just went in and added some more to the front. More of the Freetress Go-Go curl. And it also helped to kind of camouflage where it got a little weird with the braid being locked into the crochet hair. So the next time that I do it, I'm going to do individual twists of my own hair and then crochet it. I believe that'll probably blend a lot better, but it worked for what I needed it for. I need a quick style, a beach style, because I was going to Florida and I didn't want to have any maintenance on my hair, and I didn't even take mousse. I just tied it up with a bonnet every night. It was super easy. This took me about 3 hours start to finish, from braiding it and putting the hair in and making sure it looked how I wanted it to look. Very easy, very low maintenance. Here I am just primping, making sure that it looks like I want. Here is the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful when you're trying to decide how to put in your own goddess crochet locks using individuals around the perimeter. It's super easy. It took about 3 hours to do. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, lovelies.